Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the BASON lighting RGB TV strip. This one is 32 to 58 inch model. They have other models available. You can check it in the link in the description. This one supports 4096 DIY colors, is USB operated, reduce eye strain and enhance viewing experience for your TV. It has a sleep mode, DIY colors, and 6 dynamic colors. You have the measuring size, installation A, B, and C. Doing method C, as it is the most effective method. Let's get into this. Alright. So that's everything in the box. Alcohol prep pad to clean your surface, which is really helpful. I'm going to be showing you how to install it as well. So specifically branded, and then you also have sticky brackets. There's 5 sticky brackets, as well as the alcohol prep pad in here. You have a satisfactions card, a user manual with very clear instructions. You have the USB power cord, the remote has a pull tab, and you also have the RGB strips themselves. So this one, just like their other 32-foot strip, it has an easy connectivity. It's just plug it in, no arrow to arrow. Very convenient, very easy to set up in under like 10 seconds. A closer look at the remote. So you have 2 brightness adjusters, a sleep button, a power on and off button. So it's just one button. You have a white, a mode. You have 12 different colors here. You have red, green, and blue adjustment buttons as well. Very similar. This is a 24 key remote. Very similar to the other 32-foot strip. Plugging them in now. So you have a sleep button, which basically turns into a good color so to help you fall asleep. And then you can adjust the brightness. And it'll flash once it's all the way up. So you have white, you have a mode which just cycles. And you have different ones, so you have red. And this one, which just cycles through all of them. And then a slower version of that. You have like a strobe. And then you have different colors here. So the working distance for the remote is about 19.8 feet. Definitely enough room to be able to use it. And it has an upgraded IR sensor, so it's even better. I like this IR sensor. Basically, you don't even have to look. Strip itself, it's just really good. So let's go ahead and get these on my TV. I'm going to go and show you how to set them up right now. One quick thing about these strips that are really cool and unique, it has specifically flexible corners, so you can be able to flex it however you want. It'll be good to go and you won't damage it as much as opposed to something like this where you could damage the circuit. So it has it at every few inches, so you'll be able to do those corners really well. So first we're going to open up the alcohol prep pad and wipe down the surface. Firstly, plug the USB port in the back of your TV, and then turn on your TV to power on the strips. Next, wipe down the area. You're going to apply the strips with the included alcohol prep pad. This is a mandatory step. Now you don't have to use the sticky brackets, but I recommend it if you want to stay up longer. The iris receiver has a double-sided sticky tape, and every few inches there is no sticky tape, so that's where you can use the brackets. That's where I use them, on the corners. So as you can see, this is where I put the IR sensor, and then I just put a bracket there, and then went all the way along, put a bracket here as well as here, and then I went all the way down and stopped right here. And this is where the contact point is, and that's where I'm going to cut it here. So the lights themselves look really good. It gives a nice aura effect. It definitely helps at nighttime when I'm gaming. It doesn't even interfere with the gaming background or whatever. It's not too distracting. It's just a perfect level, and overall I love these. Definitely check them out in the link in the description down below. Also, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. It means a lot to me. I'm now monetized on YouTube. Very big accomplishment. And if you are new around here, subscribe. It only takes 5 seconds to do so. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.